Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss a very technical issue which was before the Honorable Madras High Court, and that issue was regarding that whether the assessment of the assessee should be completed under section 153C or 148 in cases where the satisfaction note or the books of accounts have been handed over to the assessing officer of the other person after 1st April 2021. This issue has been decided by Honorable Madras High Court in a writ petition filed by the assessee Hargovind G. Ravindran HUF versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax and another. This case is reported in 485 ITR at page number 509 and the date of the judgment is 28th October 2025. The present case relates to the assessment year 1314 to 1920. In the present case, a search on some other assessee has taken place on 29th January 2019, that was before 1st April 2021, for which the regime of section 153C and 153A was applicable. But due to the search on some other assessee, the books of accounts have been handed over to the assessing officer of the other assessee, who is the assessee is concerned in the present case, on 25th November 2022, and after this material when handed over to the assessing officer of the other person, the section 153C notice was issued on 7th February 2023. The assessee challenged these notices in the writ petition. The main contention of the assessee was that as per section 153C subsection 1 first proviso, the date of the search in the case of other assessee should be taken that date on which the books of accounts have been handed over to the assessing officer of the other assessee, and as per section 153C subsection 3, the notice to the assessee under section 153C cannot be issued where the books of accounts have been handed over after 1st April 2021. When the court heard the matter, it was the contention of the revenue that since the search has taken place before 1st April 2021, so it does not matter that when the satisfaction note has been recorded, so the proceedings under section 153C is justified. When the court heard the matter, the court first of all said that as per section 153A subsection 1 second proviso, whenever the notices are issued under section 153A to the assessee on which the search has been made, the assessments which are pending get obeyed into section 153A proceedings, and as per section 153C subsection 1 first proviso, the date of search in the case of other assessee is to be taken that date on which the books of accounts have been handed over to the assessing officer of such other assessee. So basically there are two dates of search, one for the assessee on which the search has been made and the another is for the other assessee, and that date is the date of handing over of the material. And as per section 153C subsection 3, nothing will apply if the search takes place after 1st April 2021. So according to the court, for other assessee there cannot be two dates of search, and for the other assessee only there will be one date of search, that is date of handing over of the material. So since in the present case it is very apparent and there is no doubt that the books of accounts have been handed over on 25th November 2022, so that will be the focal point, and the notices issued in the present case under section 153C has been not as per the mandate of section 153C subsection 3, and the notices should have been issued under section 148. Friends, this case is very important because in the present case all the notices have been quashed on this ground, because this mistake has happened by the revenue in many cases, and this case is very logical also. Even Delhi ITT has followed this decision and some other tribunals have also followed. So this case can be very helpful where the notices under section 153C has been issued on the basis of handing over of the books after 1st April 2021. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Hari Govind versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax and another, and this case is reported in 485 ITR at page number 509, and the date of the judgment is 28th October 2025.